Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied exercise from third lesson. Now, today we will study multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question in MCQ. M means multiple choice, C means choice, and Q means questions. Okay. Now, options are given A, B, C, D, and question is written there. What is that? The Roman numeral for 39 is. The Roman numeral for which number? 39 is X, 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 I, X. Option B. I 4 times X, 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 or C double X, I, X. Okay. Now you have to find the letter. How many times we can repeat that letters? You know that. Which are the letters? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 Roman numerals. Okay. Now we can repeat I and X. How many times? At least 3 times. So here 3 times repeated. X, X, X means this is satisfied, means we can repeat X, X, X and I, X. What is the value of X? 10. And this X, 10. This also 10. And I, X means 9. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. Okay. This one, the value of this triple X, I, X is 39. Can we repeat this X 4 times here? 4 times repeated. No. We can't repeat X 4 times. Maximum time we can repeat X as 3 times. So this one is wrong. And X, X, I, X. This is correct. We can repeat X 2 times and I, X means 9. Okay. X, X, I, X. X plus X 10 and 10 X 10. Value of X is 10 and this value of X is also 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 9 29. But here given 39. So which option is correct? Option number, this is incorrect. Among these two, which option is correct now? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 39. So option number A. So put right for option A. Understood? Now, second question, the Roman numeral cannot be repeated more than. The Roman numeral cannot be repeated more than. For example, I and X. This Roman numeral cannot be repeated more than 2 times, 4 times or 3 times. The Roman numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. More than how many times? 3 times. Option number C. Now see, third example, the Hindu-Arabic numeral for the Roman numeral IX. IX means what is the value of IX? We know that IX means value of smaller Roman numeral is written before the larger Roman numeral. So at that time what we have to do? Plus or minus. If it is present on the left hand side, we have to do minus. So which is among these two Roman numeral, which number is bigger? Which letter is bigger? X. And I means smaller Roman numeral. So we have to do minus at that time because this Roman numeral is present on the left side. Okay. Now value of X is 10. Now 10. Value of I is 1. 10 minus 1. Why we have to do minus, not plus? Because this Roman numeral is present where? On the left hand side. That's why. Now 10 minus 1, 9. So value of IX is 11, 8 or 9? 9. So what answer we are writing here? 9. So put right for C. Understood? Note down this one. There are dash symbols used in Roman numeral. How many symbols total? One. Look at. These are the Roman numeral symbol. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. How many total count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are dash symbols used in Roman numeral. Option given 5, 6 and 7. How many totals here? 7. Isn't it? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Total how many symbols? 7. So put right for option number C, 7. Now fifth question, there are no symbol for dash in Roman numeral. Here look that there are no symbol for dash in Roman numeral. 0, 10, 1. 10 symbol, which one? X. And 1 symbol I. Isn't it? I. But there is no symbol for which letter, which numeral? 0. 0. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. There are no symbols for dash in Roman numeral. For which option is 0. So understood? Now question B, look at fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. That 7 letter is very important and its value also. So 7 Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Value of I, you should know that one. What is the value of I? already I told first day only you have to buy exact values. 1. Value of I is 1, value of B is 5, value of X is 10, L is 50 and C is 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. These are the value of Roman numeral, 7 Roman numeral letters. Now here given the Roman numeral C. What is the value of C? Represent dash in the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Hindu-Arabic system. Value of C is how much? 100. The Roman numeral C represent what? 100. 100 means value of C. Now, second, the Roman numeral for 7. For 7, there is no symbol for 7, but we can write 7 like this. 7 means 5 plus 2. Why? Because we have letter 5. 5 means what? V. And 2, there is no symbol for 2 also, but we can write in this way. 2 means 1 plus 1. I plus I. I plus I means V double I. The Roman numeral for 7 is V, 5, 6 and 7. We can repeat I 3 times. V double I. Understood? Now see. The Roman numeral V can be used at the most dash time. How many times we can repeat this V? 1, 2, 3. How many times? The Roman numeral V can be used at the most only how many times? 1 time. Only 1 time. So understood? The fourth example, the number for the Roman numeral X, X, IX, double X, IX is dash. What is the value of X? Look at 10. Value of X, double X, IX. Value of X is 10. And this value of X also 10. 10 plus 10 plus value of IX means you know that 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 9, 29. The number for the Roman numeral XXIX is 29. Understood? XXIX 29. 29. Okay, now if Roman numeral X can be repeated dash times at the most. How many times we can repeat this X? Maximum time? 1, 2 or 3? 3 times. Roman numeral X can be repeated dash times at the most. At least 3 times we can repeat. 3 times. Understood? So note down. Now see true or false. First example. The Roman numeral X can never be repeated. The Roman numeral X here given. The Roman numeral X can never be repeated. We can repeat X how many times? 3 times. The Roman numeral X can be repeated 3 times. Like that should be the sentence. But here given the Roman numeral X can never be repeated. So true or false? We can repeat X this 2 or 3 times. But here can be given it is not repeated. Can never be repeated. That's why this statement is what? False. Understood? Now second, the Roman numeral V can be repeated at the most 2 times. Can we repeat V 2 times? No, we can't repeat V as 2 times. Only V can be repeated only 1 time. Only 2 letters I and X can be repeated. Remaining letter can never be repeated. For example, V, L, C, D, M. Only 1 time. But here given the Roman numeral V can be repeated at the most 2 times. Wrong. So false. Third, there is no symbol for 0 in the Roman numeral system. There is no symbol. Is there any symbol for 0 is given? No. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman numeral system. That this statement is true. We have symbol for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Remaining numeral there is no symbol. For 0 also there is no symbol. So note down this one. Fourth one, look at the Roman numeral I. This is the letter of I can be subtracted from V and X only. Can we subtract this I from V and X only? Look at. Can we write IV like this and IX? Yes, we can. Smaller numeral is present on the left hand side of the larger numeral. Here also. Yes, we can subtract. 5 minus 1, 4. Here also value of X is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Like that. Isn't it? Yes, that's why we can, the Roman numeral I can be subtracted from V and X only. Statement is what? True. I, V we can write, I, X also we can write. That's why it is what? True. Only I can be subtracted from V and X. Remaining no letter can be subtracted. So now, fifth last one. there are only 5 symbols in Roman numeral. How many symbols total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. But here given there are only 5 symbols in Roman numeral. So this statement is also what? False. There should be 7. There are 7 symbols in Roman numerals, but it is given 5. That's why this statement is what? False. Now last question, value based question. Look that here given picture also given. First question, identify the name of personality. Here picture, while writing this question in notebook, you have to draw this picture also, or otherwise take Xerox and cut that picture and paste in your notebook. Okay, anything you can do that one. Identify the name of personality. Who is this great person? We have to write the name of that great personality. Okay. After that, B, what is his date of birth? That day given, month and here year. IV, this it is given in Roman numeral. You have to write in Indo-Arabic numeral. Okay, month I, and year V, and IX. Okay, this Roman numeral it is given. You have to write in numerals. Okay, what is this date card? Day card. What is this day card? Okay, we will write the answer one by one. Now, first of all, who is this great person? Do you know that one? This great person name is, who is that? Or who is the first Prime Minister of India? You know that one? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So this great person is, identify the name of personality. This great personality name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So in short, I have written Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This great personality name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of what? India. Okay. Now second, what is his date of birth? Now here given IV, day, month and year. Value of I is, simple question, value of I is 1. IV means V value 5 and I value 1. 5 minus 1. How much? 4. IV means 4. 14. I mean again 1. This I means 1. This I means 1. V triple I. V value 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. V I. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. IX means 10 minus 1. How much? 9. So his date of birth is 14, 11, 18, 89. 14, 11, 18, 89. 14th November 1889. Understood? This one? According to this, 14, 11, 1889. And last one, what is this day card? This day is card. In school we are celebrating every year. 14th November 1889. 14th November coming that. What is that one? Children's. What is this card? Children's Day. Children's Day. It is called what? Children's Day. So understood? So in this way we have completed this third lesson also, Roman numerals. So study this lesson properly. Okay.